Chery Auto Philippines has now brought in the successor to the Tiggo 5, which is this vehicle right here, the all-new Chery Tiggo Cross, and in this video, we get to unbox it. Let's do this. Alright guys, so right off the bat, you can immediately tell that this all-new Tiggo Cross is, well, a Chery because it follows the same design language that can be found across the Chery Auto lineup. Now, this, my friends, is the replacement to the Tiggo 5. But the good news here is the pricing. Well, Chery Auto Philippines mentioned that the pricing of this vehicle, the Tiggo Cross, will come in at below 1 million Philippine pesos. Oh yes, mga dude pare, that makes this quite a compelling crossover right there. Now, the front fascia design looks like it belongs to that of a hybrid or an electric vehicle. I mean, we got the diamond grille right here. It's a signature design from Chery Auto, and we have full LED lighting units down to the LED DRLs found right there. And may I take your attention to the color of this test unit that we have here. I love the color of this vehicle. It's kind of like a pearlescent white/silver, and it kind of looks translucent. And yeah, it also brings that EV or hybrid vibe to this Chery Tiggo Cross. Now, the side profile hasn't really changed much from the previous Tiggo 5, but this Tiggo Cross, mainly because of the color, has a bit of that softer glow and that softer vibe coming from it. Now, we do have 17-inch alloy wheels here, and as far as I can see, we have 4-wheel disc brakes, and the suspension is also still a MacPherson front suspension as well as a torsion beam at the back. Now, at this point, I'm going to take you to the engine bay so that we can talk about the engine numbers. Now, under the hood of the Chery Tiggo Cross is a 1.5-liter naturally aspirated 4-cylinder gasoline engine here that doesn't come with a mild hybrid system. So this is a traditional ICE engine. Now, in terms of the power figures, well, Chery Auto Philippines hasn't really given us any number for that, but they did tell us that it also comes with a 9-speed CVT transmission. So you'll have to wait for my full in-depth car review video of the Chery Tiggo Cross if you want to see what the engine numbers are all about. Alright guys, so the Chery Tiggo Cross may not have a turbocharged engine or a hybrid system, but it more than makes up for it when it comes to the cabin amenities and features. You see, we have these gorgeous sport bucket seats here that are wrapped in leather, and we also have a leather-wrapped steering wheel that also adjusts for tilting. Unfortunately, we don't have a telescoping function here, but for a vehicle, a crossover, below 1 million Philippine pesos, not complaining at all, mga dude pare. Now, when you check out the gauge cluster here, well, we have a dual panel display there, 10.25-inch in size. We've got the digital instrument panel on the side, front of the driver, and of course, we have a 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system that comes with wireless Android Auto and wired Apple CarPlay. Kind of weird that's like that, but it is what it is. We have wireless Android Auto there. Now, I checked it just now, and we also have a reverse camera system here. No 360-degree view camera image, but it's okay. It's still a vehicle below 1 million Philippine pesos. Now, we also have your climate control setup there. Yeah, I got a shifter here. And pretty much, yeah, we have a very business black cabin that is, filled with soft touch materials. Your middle dashboard is soft touch. Your door cards are soft touch. And we also don't have a panoramic sunroof, which for some people did miss it. But for the more practical bunch out there, well, having no panoramic sunroof means lesser maintenance costs. Alright mga dude pare, that's just a very quick unboxing video of this Chery Tiggo Cross. And if you want to see the full in-depth car review of this vehicle, well, hit that subscribe button and click that notification bell because I am coming up with that full driving review video of the Chery Tiggo Cross very, very soon in the channel. Anyway guys, I hope to see you again in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.